Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will be discussing the life and work of Epicurus, an ancient Greek philosopher who founded the philosophy of Epicureanism, Epicurus' ideas on pleasure, happiness, and the nature of the universe have had a significant impact on Western philosophy and continue to be studied and debated to this day. Epicurus was born in 341 BCE on the island of Samos in Greece. He studied philosophy under several different teachers before founding his school of philosophy, known as the Garden, in Athens. The Garden was a community of like-minded individuals who shared Epicurus' beliefs and values and sought to live a simple, peaceful life focused on pleasure and the pursuit of happiness. Epicurus' philosophy was centered around the idea that pleasure was the highest good and that the pursuit of pleasure should be the goal of human life. However, Epicurus did not define pleasure in the hedonistic sense of physical pleasure but rather in terms of tranquility, peace, and the absence of pain. He believed that by avoiding pain and cultivating a peaceful and contented state of mind, we could achieve true happiness. One of Epicurus' most significant contributions to philosophy was his theory of atomism. He believed that everything in the universe was made up of atoms, which were indestructible and eternal. This theory was a significant departure from the prevailing views of the time, which held that the universe was made up of a few basic elements. Epicurus also believed in the existence of multiple worlds, which he called the infinite universe. He argued that there were an infinite number of worlds, each with its own set of laws and properties, and that these worlds were constantly being created and destroyed. Despite his reputation as a hedonist, Epicurus was also deeply concerned with ethics and morality. He believed that living a virtuous life was essential to achieving happiness and that virtues such as courage, wisdom, and justice were essential to this endeavor. In conclusion, Epicurus was an influential figure in the history of philosophy, and his ideas on pleasure, happiness, and the nature of the universe continue to be studied and debated to this day. Whether you are a student of philosophy, a fan of Epicurus' work, or simply interested in the pursuit of happiness, exploring his ideas can offer new insights and perspectives on the human condition.